Hello everyone, in the next 90 seconds, I'll show you a new free report that you can use to optimize your Kubernetes costs and to shrink or right size the resources that your applications use on those clusters. And this can have big impacts, of course, on your Kubernetes cost and on your application stability. So most of you know KRR, Kubernetes Resource Recommender, the command line tool that gives you a report of where you should optimize your applications and change their CPU or memory requests based on historical data. And it works by just looking at those applications, seeing how much memory and CPU they're actually using, and comparing that with the amount that's being reserved for them with the Kubernetes requests. But what happens if you have a big cluster with a live namespaces and the live teams using the application? Well, sometimes it can be hard to know where to start and where you should focus your attention first. So we have a new report here that you can get for free in the Robusta UI, and you can see here a breakdown of where you should focus first. We show here first the memory usage in your cluster and then the CPU usage, and for each one we give you a breakdown by namespace that shows you where there are the biggest potential savings and which namespace you should focus on first. And of course, this builds on the other capabilities that are here for free in this report in the Robusta UI. I can, for example, take a specific recommendation, and right when I go to that development team and I say, okay, you guys should optimize this application, you can drill down into the details and you can show them the data that was used to give that recommendation. Here, for example, I can see that the CPU request needs to be upped, and I can see that the memory request is way over what is actually being used by this application, and I can get the recommended fix here below. So I hope this is useful, and if you'd like to try this out for free, just head over to robusta.dev, and it looks like I'm over by 30 seconds, but I hope that's okay. And thank you so much.